Hello everyone, I am Chan. Welcome to my second video for the Philippines. In this video, I want to share my experience traveling from Manila to Vigan City and visiting the Spanish Colonial town in the province of Ilocos Sur for 2 days. I arrived at the bus terminal too early and didn't have dinner yet. I was thinking of eating here because I thought there would be restaurants, but I can find only small stores selling snacks like these. I don't want to go outside again, so these 3 boiled eggs are my dinner for today. I already bought the bus ticket and paid $19 online for the bus fare from Cubao, Manila to Vigan City. The bus departed on time at 11:56 p.m. and the estimated time of arrival is around 8 a.m. I'm so sleepy now. Good night. I slept only a few hours last night, as I'm still not used to sleeping in the bus when traveling alone. I'm still figuring out when I can get used to it, because I always think a lot in this situation, making me unable to sleep. The bus arrived about 1 hour earlier than the estimated time. After leaving my luggage at my hotel, I'm ready to explore the city. First of all, I need to find something to eat as I'm hungry now. And this local food store looks interesting. Gloria Sinanglaoan is just a few meters from Crisologo Museum. Sinanglaoan is a beef soup and is a famous local food specialty of Vigan. It is very delicious and you can find it at many food stores and restaurants in the city. Vigan is a 4th-class component city and the capital of Ilocos Sur province, Philippines. It is a beautiful small city known for its preserved Spanish Colonial and Asian architecture. The most photographed street in Vigan, Calle Crisologo, is known for its cobblestone pavements and old Spanish structures. These structures used to be houses of wealthy families during the Spanish colonial period. But several were destroyed by fire during the Japanese occupation of the Philippines. The burned houses were later reconstructed and converted into inns, cafes, and shops selling accessories, furniture, antiques, and other souvenirs. Syquia Mansion Museum was once resided by the Syquia family, with one of its members marrying a Vigan native, Elpidio Quirino, the Philippines' sixth president. He was born in the nearby provincial jail where his mother worked. He rose to political prominence after marrying into a fabulously wealthy Syquia family. The Syquia mansion has since been transformed into a public museum, displaying the various artifacts owned by the family and the late president, and an architectural marvel that best encapsulates Vigan's unique charm. This former residence of politician Floro S. Crisologo is now a museum with memorabilia and furniture. Crisologo Museum is a must-see if you want to learn about the political atmosphere in the 70s. He was one of the popular congressmen and head of the Crisologo family who ruled in Vigan in 1970s. The surname grew in popularity and love from the residents of the North as he authored some laws that created the University of the Northern Philippines. He is also the one who is behind the establishment of the social security system that helped thousands of Filipinos today. When he was at St. Paul Cathedral on Sunday, Floro was shot in the head by an unidentified gunman that even today no one can name. It is time to check in at the hotel where I left my baggage this morning. I paid 1,500 peso for one night stay at Hill Frans Lodge Hotel. After taking a bath and resting for a while, I have to go out again to other destinations. This time I want to try Calesa, the primary mode of transportation during the Spanish Colonial era, which is still commonly used in the city of Vigan. You can find Calesa everywhere in the city. Jeepneys and tricycles are other options in the city if you want to try. This Calesa ride is from Calle Crisologo to Bantay Watchtower and returns to the Vigan Cathedral, which cost me 200 peso including waiting time. The St. Augustine Parish Church, commonly known as the Bantay Church, is a Roman Catholic church in Bantay, Ilocos Sur. One of the oldest surviving churches in the region, Bantay Church is also famed for its grand design and architecture inspired by Western and European cultures. It was built by Augustinian friars in the 1590s, but was heavily damaged during World War II. Restoration efforts were made in 1950, and today the church is on the list of must-see attractions in Ilocos Sur. Bantay Watchtower is located right next to the church. It previously served as a watchtower for the town and the nearby city of Vigan during the Spanish Colonial period, protecting both areas from pirates and other enemies. There is no one at the time I'm climbing this tower. I am totally alone on the top of this centuries-old watchtower. Looking at the old bricks in the wall, I'm a little scared because it is really old. But the view from here is so beautiful. You can see the panoramic landscape view of the city, the cemetery, and the faraway mountains from here. Vigan Cathedral has a very nice architectural design and looks heavenly from the outside. And the interior design is amazing and it is huge. This area is like the downtown of Vigan City. You can find a lot of restaurants and parks in this area. Many government office buildings such as the court, provincial capital, and Vigan City Hall are located in this area. Vigan Heritage Site, Calle Crisologo at night is very different from the morning. It is very busy with people hanging out together, buying, selling, and taking photos and selfies along the small streets, and it is beautiful. By the way, it is time to return to my hotel. Good night to Vigan City. On the second day in the city, I'm going to the RG Jar Factory. RG Jar Factory, one of the last surviving jar factories in Vigan City, is where you can see how to make different things out of clay. The entrance is free, but a donation is as you please. Visitors can buy homemade clay pots or make their own. Making a pot is an excellent activity to try. Your hand pressure will be tested as well as your patience. It is more complicated than it looks. This is a family business, so the descendants of the original owners are still running it, and it is now the fourth generation.
The kiln is almost 50 meters long, and it is also almost 200 years old. If it is full, it will take up to 15 to 18 hours straight cooking. If it's not full, the shortest time of cooking is 8 hours. This is also one of the process. It's a two-piece jar, and they stick it together.
The base one
Yeah.
and the top one. So you put together.
Also this one, like a 3-layer.
Oh.
You cannot make
The
it in
staff is
butter.
very friendly and she explains everything I want to know carefully. I really appreciate it. I had already checked out from the hotel, but left my baggage at the reception. It is 2 p.m. now. I still have a lot of time because my bus for tonight is 7 p.m. The sun is too hot now. I just want to find to do something relaxing. Yes, this is the best time for a massage. $250 for 45 minutes is reasonable with the service they provide. I'm returning to Manila, but not the same terminal when I took the bus 2 days ago. I chose the bus to go to Pasay Terminal, which is very near the Manila airport, because my next plan is to fly from Manila to Cebu tomorrow. It is time to say goodbye to Vigan City.